Hey,
what's up you guys? I hope you're doing okay. Today we are going to be making cake style donut holes. These should take like 15 minutes tops, to be completely honest. So firstly we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of butter. 1/4 cup would be half a stick or just a 1/4 cup. Mine was not melted yet, so I just put that into a bowl and I microwaved that for maybe 30 to 45 seconds or until it was basically melted. To the butter we are going to add 1 large egg. No small eggs here, no medium eggs. We're going to whisk that and put that to the side. And we are going to grab our dry ingredients. We are going to get 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I know that's a lot, but these are basically instant donut holes, and it doesn't require any yeast, so you don't have to wait for it to proof. So I don't see a problem with that, alright? And in addition to that, we're also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to drizzle our batter in along with 1 cup of evaporated milk, and then we are going to whisk that in. It's a very thick dough. It's like biscuit dough, I guess, but yeah, biscuit dough, exactly. So I had to switch to a spatula. It should look like this. It'll look like it won't stick to your hand, but it will stick to your hand a lot. So that's the texture you want. Onto a medium-high heat, we are going to put a pan that has maybe about 1/2 inch of oil. You can deep fry these if you want. I didn't have enough oil to deep fry them, so I just did like that. So you can either use a spoon to scoop your batter out, or you can use a tiny ice cream scoop. It's cool. So we're going to let these dudes sit in this hot oil that is actually heated up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My oil got a bit hot, so as you can see, some of them got a little brown, but it's okay. It's fine. You won't be able to see it under the chocolate glaze. Yeah, I said it. Spoiler alert. Anyways, I want to crack one of these guys open and look at it. It's beautiful. It's like a cake pop, but already made into the shape of a cake pop. Does that make sense? It's not like the donut texture of like Krispy Kreme where it's like almost like melts in your mouth. It's more of just a cake pop. I guess that's just the best explanation for it. Anyways, and I made 2 quick glazes. One of them is the one in the recipe in the description, basically just powdered sugar, vanilla, milk, salt, that's it. And then the chocolate one is chocolate, powder, vanilla, salt, and just a lot of powdered sugar. I dunked them in. It looked like that. I was like, okay, that's fine. And then I did the regular glaze, and then I had granulated sugar because I wanted to get the jelly donut look, even though it didn't have any jelly in it. I really regret not putting jelly in it because that would have been bomb. And then I also did a powdered sugar one, and then I did that 28 more times. Yep, you can count them there. There are 28 donut holes there. So that's it. That's literally how you make donut holes. It's that easy. It takes like no time whatsoever. They're very good. I'm not lying. They're pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try out this recipe. As always, please stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.